I haven't done one of these in a long time. A fire, how to style. Yes, sir. This time it's from Rayssa Leal or Rayssa Leal. Believe it or not, one of my favorite SBs of the year so far. I did like the big money savings, but these give you more room to get creative with an outfit, man. You know we don't do too much long talk. Hit the intro, the B-roll is fire. Yes, sir. Some of y'all new to the channel, and I'm happy. If you're here, I hope you stay. But when I talk about mixing like pink and blue, even though we got more of a plum situation here, the first place I always go to is Para or Para. They mix blue, burgundy, pink. They do it the best, man. So in the B-roll I showed y'all these Para joints right here, and they hard, and they match somewhat. You got your little burgundy in there and the blue, but I really like these Para shorts a lot better. Still not a dead-on match, but it makes the outfit perfect, man. A lot of colors, man. When I wear this, I get a lot of looks when I wear this outfit. The Para shorts, man, they comfortable, and they double as a swim joint. Like $100, man. And I feel like with these on those SBs is a dope look. And if you ain't into shorts, you could go crazy and get the pants. Told you I really like this, man. So I got the shorts and the pants. I feel like it complements those SBs hard. And also, the bucket hat. I'm telling you, man, this is a perfect match to me. I know it's a little off because of the orange in it, but when you think of burgundy or plum, and then you mix it with like the pink and then the sand in it, trust me, it all comes together, man. Para.com, tons of stuff. In clothing usually have Para for a steal. Also on the intro, I showed y'all both these shorts from Bravest Studio. Shout out to Bravest Studio, small company, but they known for taking the big brand designers and putting them on shorts. So this here is a go y'all look. I like this match because of the pattern that you have inside the SB in the inside panel, the white part. And then they did the Dior joints with the pink. Again, around it, you got the burgundy looks, but it's not a dead-on match. So I really like these shorts from Bravest Studios. Y'all know what those crosses mean. But the cream look really made me like it on the SB a lot. And of course, you got your pink in there, you got your red in there, so it's a perfect match. I like this look. Again, Bravest Studios, they don't sponsor me, I don't sponsor them. I just like to give small companies love. $75 for some dope shorts. The summer's coming, guys. Back to Para or Para. Telling you guys, these are the matches, man. You see that plum in there, the blue in there. They always got like some crazy artwork, abstract artwork, which I really like too. But man, the match is there, guys. All right, I promise this is the last one, man. Nice shirt, man. The front just say Para. You got your blue, you got your plum in there. You go to the back and you got the same thing, huge, man. They are the go-to for these sneakers. They do blue and pink so well. The shirt was under $100. I'm telling you, steals on In Clothing with this. Supreme, and this is the Little Kim tee. You may be too young to know where this tee came from. You may be too young to even be looking at this picture. But it's the Queen Bee. This was her first album, Hardcore. Supreme photo tee in the back has one of her famous quotes. Looked like she wrote it herself. Very dope, man. I like this look because it's not just pink. It's more in that plum look. It's a dark pink. You look at the outfit she has on, the cheetah print. It matches the gum bottom inside the on the bottom of the SBs, man. So I like that. I did say no more Para, right? All right. This Palm Angels tee here. It's a thick tee, man. Good material. I like the match. I don't love the match. I mean, I like this like yellow look again because of the gum bottom. The blue is off and the pink is a little too light, but somehow I feel like I can pull it off. If I can pull it off, I know you guys can pull it off. But I like this look too. Oh yeah, we said no more para. No more para. All right. The Hat Club tee. I think this was called like the Galaxy. It came with a dope pin, I remember. But I kind of like this look. I don't like the black being that sneaker so playful and light. I mean, the sneaker has emojis on it. But you got that pink and that blue look, crazy Galaxy look. Look at the patch. It's dope look. The back MLB is even dope. In the bottom, yeah, I like it. But to go plain Jane and just match the sock liner of that SB, I just like a regular Supreme camp hat here, all blue, matches the sock liner perfect. I do have this in pink, but it's like a lighter pink. The match won't be great. Yes, sir. So that's a quick how to style on these SBs. Rayssa Leal. Rayssa Leal. Anyway, dope young lady. Already has gold medals. I love that she got her own SB. And I really like this sneaker, man. I had dead on matches for this, but I mean, I just want to play around. This sneaker's very colorful, very energetic. I really like this sneaker, man. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop these? How you feel about these? If you need help with sizing, pricing, or securing anything you've seen in this video, hit me up. I'll hit you right back. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, man. Everybody, get rich. And don't worry about my Cowboys. We'll be back.